Welcome to the Pennsylvania Local Technical Assistance Program, or LTAP, your go-to resource for essential training and technical assistance for local roads for over 40 years.
We also offer, in addition to the classes, technical assistance.
If some municipalities have any questions or if they have an issue, they can call PennDOT LTAP Center for Technical Assistance. The LTAP consultants will investigate the issues and they will advise the municipalities with the potential solutions.
LTAP offers one-on-one assistance on a variety of transportation safety and maintenance topics. Our most popular topics are traffic calming, stop signs and intersections, speed, traffic signs, work zone traffic control, bridges, winter maintenance, and asphalt roads.
Where LTAP comes down, meets with you, goes over everything, helps you through everything. We did line of sight stuff. I helped our LTAP rep, measure everything out. Like, it's that on-site, somebody's there helping you.
Although classroom training is important, nothing is as effective as personal guidance on an issue or problem specific to a municipality. LTAP provides the guidance through technical assistance. These assists are conducted on site or via telephone or email. When providing technical assistance to municipalities, LTAP's technical experts adhere to specifications contained within federal and PennDOT publications.
I always like to tell people, whenever you are going out there installing your traffic control devices, you are providing information to your road users, whether it's the car, the bike, or the pedestrian. Now, you can't control their decision-making, you can't control the actions they take, but you can only hope that the information that you provide them is consistent with what they expect and follows the standards that the state and the federal government has. And hopefully, if you're providing them good information on your roadways, then hopefully they will make good decisions and perform safe actions, and hopefully everyone gets to go home at the end of the night.
The website has some basic categories to select from when requesting technical assistance.
Just about any question I throw out there, I get an answer back and an opportunity to meet, in real time at the site if it's a site issue, or an answer, a legal answer of some of the PennDOT documents that I can use. So I'm a big LTAP advocate. I'm out there. I just can't say enough of how that free help is so valuable to municipalities, especially smaller ones.
Accessing LTAP training is easy. Visit our website, call us, or send an email to get started. All training is completely free for municipal employees. Join us at Pennsylvania LTAP, helping local agencies to enhance transportation safety and efficiency.